Is your Viber chat history getting cluttered? Learn how to clear a chat and instantly tidy up your conversations, freeing up space and keeping your focus on recent messages. Clearing a chat in Viber removes all messages, photos, and videos from that specific conversation on your device only. The chat thread itself will remain in your chat list, but it will be empty. This action, however, does not affect the chat history on the recipient's device or for other members in a group chat. So first, head on into the chat you want to clear out. There, swipe left or tap on the username to open up chat options. Scroll down to the bottom. Just above the delete chat option, you should see an option labeled Clear Chat Content. Tap on that option. In the confirmation prompt, tap on Clear. And just like that, you'll have cleared out every message shared between you and that contact for your device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!